My name is Vashi and I like to talk about finances, well-being and being single. This is the final part in my Investing for Beginners series, and if you haven't checked my previous videos out, firstly, what is you doing? Second, please check them out and connect with me because I'm trying to make new friends who are interested in these things. We're trying to build wealth out here, okay? Okay, so trading versus investing. What's the difference? People often confuse the two, but here's the real tea. Both trading and investing involve seeking profits in the stock market, but here's the main difference. In short, trading is short-term and investing is long-term. So let's focus on trading. Trading is focused on short-term profits, with traders buying and selling stocks within a really short time frame, so think weeks, days, even minutes. The main focus here is on price and the direction that the stock price moves in, rather than what the company actually does, how it operates, and what its long-term prospects might look like. And you're right to think it's these guys here. Although more recently, it's starting to look like this as well, which is great. On the other hand, with investing, which is what this whole series has been about, you're focused very much on the long term and building wealth over time. And in most cases, benefiting from a lovely thing called compound interest. Check out my video if you haven't already. Investments are held for a long period of time, so think years, even decades, and investors benefit from things like interest and dividends along the way. Even when there are ups and downs in the market like we've seen recently and over the past 18 months, investors will tend to ride these out with the expectation that things will recover over time. And even though past data isn't necessarily the best way to indicate future gains, in general, things have recovered. Also, more so than traders, investors tend to be looking at things like fundamental analysis, so the price to earnings ratio, debt, and all the things that I covered in my previous video. And so that's basically it. Trading is short term and investing in long term. From my personal experience and speaking to a lot of my friends, confusing the two terms, investing and trading, is generally what tends to put people off in taking that first step. And it genuinely breaks my heart to think about what people are actually missing out on. And you know, that's why I made this series. I grew up in a working class household and you know, it's the same for a lot of my friends. And yeah, I really hope they take something out of this. And if you are in a similar boat, let me know if this inspires you to take that first step. And I know it has already just by speaking to some of you, but if that's one of you, let me know. This is what will help you break those generational cycles that our parents are caught up in and still stuck in. No one taught them how to do this, but now with so much information available to us, you can take it in your own hands to change that. Like I've said before, just taking that first step with £20 a month really changed my life, and honestly that's all it takes. You just need a small amount to start and understand how things work. And when I say change my life, I'm not just talking about money and finances, but also my mindset, which I think is the biggest thing that you need to actually change your finances. But yeah, mindset, and also where I place my value in things. And my only intention with this series is the hope that it inspires someone else to do the same. That's really all I came on here to do, is see other people like me win. Okay, that's a wrap from me and this series. I'm really looking forward to bringing you some new content, fresh ideas, and other things that I've been dying to bring you guys. So please stick around, connect with me, let me know what you think of this series and things you just want to see in the future. And if you made it through the entire series or even through this entire video, I appreciate you. You're a real one. Love you. And I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye!